Hey guys, web reviews and another exercise in C# for beginners. In this exercise, I want you to prompt the user to enter a name, and let's say it's James, and then how old is James? Let's say he's 21, and the console would read these two values and print James is 21. And this is a combination of three strings. One is James, one is 21, and this is should be added in the program. I will put the assignment on the screen. You can pause the video and do the exercise, and if you have any problems, you can watch the rest of the video to see how to do it. Before doing the exercise, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you very much. Okay, let's say we have created our console application, and here we are to start programming. First, we are working with string types because we are receiving text from the console, so I use the type string, which is specific to using text. Whenever you use text, you use string type. And I have a variable called name and another string for variable called age. Okay, of course I can write them on the same line, but for a reason I'm separating the lines. And then I will prompt the user to enter a name. So the user should know what he's going to do, so you have to prompt them. Right, enter a name, and then we will read that name by using readLine. And after reading it, we want to store it in one of our variables. Okay, so name would be whatever the user enters here, and let's copy this. And this time we are going to receive age, and we have to prompt for age, enter age, and then read line. And finally, we are going to print the result, which is a new string in the console. So we say console, please write line. And what is that line? Okay, we know that we are working with strings, not numbers. Strings are text type variables. So if I say that I want to add this string called name to a literal string, which is whatever I write between the quotations, this operand is not a numeric one. This one links the two strings, so it just writes whatever is between the quotations after it writes the name. Okay, you can use multiple plus signs here, so I add edge to the end of my string. Okay, now let's give it a try. So we say Nell, and she's 18. Nell is 18. So we got the result on the screen. Now let's get back to our code and see why didn't we, since age is a number, why didn't we use a numeric type for it, just something like integer? Okay, there is a reason. Console doesn't know numeric types. Console only can only read text, not numbers. So whatever you read through console, you have to convert it into a number, which is something we will do in later exercises. So you can see an error here. Let's see what the error is. Cannot implicitly convert type string to int. Implicitly, so we can convert it, but this is not how we do it. Okay, thank you for listening to me. Just don't forget to subscribe and push that little bell button and like the video. Thank you very much.